Hello, my name is Pádraig O'Doul and I'm delighted to be part of the festival in Tokhan this year. I'll be doing the guitar workshops during the festival, and I was asked to make this short video just to explain what the lessons are going to be like. So I am going to mainly focus on explaining my approach to accompanying Irish music. I play a tuning called Drop D, which is, compared to standard, the very same, just that the low E string is tuned down to a D. I'll be going through the various chords in that tuning, as well as all the rhythms that you'll need to accompany the Irish music. If you play another tuning like standard or dadgad, some of the stuff I'll be talking about will apply, but just know that I won't be going through the chords of those tunings. It's not really for beginners, so a good grounding in chords and playing the guitar, as well as some experience playing Irish music, will be helpful. So that's it. Really looking forward to the festival, and I'll see you all in July.